Guys, welcome back to a live. Welcome back to my live, and it's your girl Kizzy Unstoppable. And today I'm gonna make some tea for you. Bush tea, yes, bush tea. So hold on, I soon come back. Yeah.
Girl, better can't cook. Think you that you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book.
Hi guys, welcome back. Here right now I have some pimento leaf and some mint. You know what we call black mint back home? Yeah, that's what I have right here. It's dry, so I wash them. So as you all know, pimento leaf, it have a lot of benefits. It's good for fungal infection. It can treat bacteria. It can reduce, like if you're a smoker, it can reduce your craving for smoking. And if you are a lady wishing only ladies alone have menstrual cramp, you can drink a cup of that and it can smooth you and it can ease your pain. It's also good for cold if you have a cold, and also it can use for high blood pressure. So that's the benefit of the pimento leaf. So over here guys, right here I have my mint right here, and the benefits of the mint, they call it peppermint, we call it black mint. The benefit of it, it can relieve your sinus. If you're somebody who trouble with sinus, you can help with your sinus. It can improve your energy. It can improve your sleep. If you have trouble sleeping, you just have a cup of mint and it can smooth you. Also, it's good for headache. And if you have gas, you know, a lot of people suffer from gas and bloating. It's good for that purpose also. So now guys, I'm gonna take you guys over to my pan over there with some boiling water, and I'm gonna add my peppermint and my pimento leaf to boil. You can see my water is boiling on the fire, so I'm gonna add my peppermint in, and I'm gonna add my pimento leaf, and I'm gonna make it boil for like maybe 5 to 10 minutes. You know, back home growing up as a kid, this is what we used to drink. Like every morning we used to get bush tea. Like on Sundays we'll get little coffee, little Milo or little Horlicks, but during the week we always get our bush tea, and it's good for us. We grew up drinking bush tea. My tea is finished boiling, so I'm gonna turn off the stove and I'm gonna strain it. And as usual, I don't use sugar in my tea. So I'm going to turn off the stove and I'm going to strain it off. Guys, I'm going to strain it off now. It smells so good. That peppermint and that pimento, oh my god. I just make a cup. Wow. So guys, that's my cup of tea, and I'm gonna try it right now. Let you guys see. So guys, this is the result of my pimento and my peppermint. So guys, I'm gonna try it and let you guys see. It's hot, but I like my tea hot. It tastes so good. So good. It tastes so good. So good. This remind me like growing up back home in Jamaica. Get up in the morning, your auntie, your grandma make you a cup of mint tea and a pimento tea. This tastes so good. And how we used to eat with it is some tough crackers or cream crackers. Yo, cream crackers bad with bush tea, you know? If you never try it, go and try it. So y'all know guys, you know what time is it. All I want you guys to do, just like up this video, share this video out, comment down below, let me know what you think about this lovely cup of tea right here, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you know each time your girl upload a video. And I hope you all enjoyed this little video. Until next time, I'm out. Let me take a sip again for you guys. Oh, it tastes so good. Oh my god. Bye guys.